Acoustic Energy has released a new subwoofer. This is the AE subwoofer that is not that expensive. It's around $700. This new model comes with a 12-inch driver. It has 250 watts of power. It can go down to 26 hertz. That's the minimum it can get down to, which is good. Which is good for a lot of setups. You don't need more than that in many cases, especially if you're in an apartment. You don't want to disturb your neighbors and all that. So this is the kind of subwoofers you can buy for an apartment setup. So the AE sub is very nice. It's gonna have a 12-inch long excursion driver. There is also the fact that you have the flexibility of connections at the back. It has stereo line level inputs with LFE inputs as well as high level speaker inputs. It has an adjustable low pass filter from 40 hertz to 120 kilohertz. 120 hertz, not kilohertz, 120 hertz. There is a volume control knob on the subwoofer's back. It makes it easy to blend it with the rest of your speaker system or any speaker system that you have. So this is a $700 sub. It's not that expensive. It's not crazy, super expensive that it's not reachable for a lot of people to get their hands on. Now, Acoustic Energy goes on to state that their AE sub also comes with a sturdy carpet piercing spikes that will be under the subwoofer, and it's made so that you will not have issues with vibrations and unwanted resonance from the subwoofer itself. So you get very clean, tight, deep bass with no issues whatsoever in terms of its excursion and all that. It can handle voltage between 115 volts to 240 volts. That's something very good for the subwoofer. It's really good. It's really good. Now, as for power output, it has 250 watts RMS, which is not too bad. It's not the best, but it's not too bad. It's a sealed box with a downward firing driver, which is okay enough for a lot of people. It only weighs 16.5 kg, doesn't weigh a lot. It's easy to move around to an extent. Once you want to get this, it's very advisable you get dual of this, so you have a better blend of bass performance. If you can even afford it, you get 4 of this setup for your home theater, so you get the best bass performance for the money that you're paying for it. Look, like I said, the price tag is $700. You can visit the company's official website to see if you can get it. In the UK, it's £700. It comes in 2 colors, matte black and matte white. So that's all you need to know about the Acoustic Energy AE subwoofer. I'm going to drop details down below for you guys to see and check it out. Subscribe to the channel, do like our content. I'll see you guys very much next time.